Hi everyone, let's discuss a few market interview questions as part of this session. Before we are going to discuss, let's have a beautiful quote. The ability to observe without evaluating is the highest form of intelligence. These are the questions we are going to discuss on Flow Builder. What kind of options we can generate with the choice set in Flow Builder? What is a variable in Flow Builder? What type of data should the variable store, or what kind of data types a variable supports in Flow Builder? How can you make a variable as a collection variable? Can we launch a flow when a platform event message is received? So what kind of options we can generate with the choice set in Flow Builder? You can generate records. That means you can retrieve the records from Salesforce and you can prepare a choice. You can prepare choice options in Flow Builder, and you can prepare choice set with the help of pick list field values also. What is a variable in a Flow Builder? A variable is a placeholder for a value we don't know yet. Simply, variable helps to hold something in Flow and use in Flow. Okay, even you can use these variables different purposes. For example, to hold the current record ID when you pass or when you include a flow in a current record also. And variables have two options. One is available for input, available for output. When you want to uh, pass a value to a flow, then you can make a variable for available for input. When you want to pass a variable outside of flow builder, then you can make it as a output, available for output. So let's see, variables are the only resources that can change during the flow. It stores the value that we can change in the flow. That means you can change a value while executing the flow. That means now a variable can store some value and still you can change while you are connecting screen elements, decision elements, or whatever it may be in Flow Builder. What types of data or what kind of data types a variable support in Salesforce or in Flow Builder? Sorry. What type of data a variable supports in Flow Builder? Text, record, number, currency, Boolean, date, date time, pick list, multi-select pick list, Apex defined. How can you make a variable as a collection variable? Simply, while you are creating a variable, you just need to check a checkbox, allow multiple values checkbox. Then it becomes a collection variable and it can store the multiple values. Can we launch a flow when a platform event message is received? Yes. So to do that, what you have to do while creating a flow, you have to select platform event triggered flow. Then you can launch a flow which is going to run in background. So these are the reference. I will give or I'll include this reference link under this video. Please subscribe to Salesforce Techbook. All the best.